Hello everyone, you're welcome to my class. This is Omodebo Maths class. We have a problem to solve today. Here, number one, 1 over x is equals to 1 over 5. Number 2 number 3 over 4 plus 1 over n is equals to 0. Number 3, 2 over x plus 3 over 2x is equals to 7 over 8. Number 4, 12 over x minus 1 is equals to 3. Then number 5, 4 over 1 plus s is equals to 1. So we are going to solve all these equations. The question is solve the following equation. So we're going to be solving them one after the other. So remain focused as we start. Among the question is 1 over x is equals to 1 over 5. So solution of number 1. Now if you want to solve this one is very simple. So we cross multiply. So 1 times x, or x times 1 to give us x. Then 1 times 5 is what? 5. Now this is the answer to the first question. So now let's move on to the next question. Now we are in question number 2, which is 2 whole number 3 over 4 plus 1 over n is equals to 0. So let's change this to from mixed fraction to improper fraction. So 4 times 2 is what? 8 plus 3 11. So it's 11 over 4 plus n 1 over n is equals to what? 0. Now to make our work easy, is that we look for the LCM of 4 and n, or we just simply transfer this plus 1 over n to the other side. So if we do that, we have 11 over 4 is equals to minus 1 over n. So this one is very easy to do. So the next thing to do, we cross multiply. So we say 11 times n to be 11n. Then 4 times minus 1 to give us minus 4. So we divide both sides by 11. So n is equal to minus 4 over 11. That is the solution to number 2. So next, let's move to the question number 3. Yeah, we are now in question 3. For us to solve this, we need to find the LCM of x, 2x and 8, and the LCM of them is 8x. Next, we'll multiply 8x with all the terms. So multiply 8x with all the terms. So the first one is 8x times 2 over x plus 8x times 3 over 2x equals to 7 over 8 times 8x. So 8 x divided by x, this one will go off. So 8 times 2 is what? 16 plus 2x will go into this one, that's it will be 4. So 4 times 3 it will be what? 12 is equals to 8 in 8x is what? X. So x times 7 was 7x. So 16 plus 12 it will be 28 is equals to what? 7x. So we divide both sides by 7. So we have 4. X is equals to 4. So our final answer to number 3 question is equals to 4. So that's the solution to question number 3. So now let's move on to question number 4. We are now in question number 4. This one is very simple. We're going to cross multiply. So cross multiply. So 3 open bracket x minus 1 close bracket. 12 times 1 is 12. So when you open up the bracket, this one becomes 3x minus 3 times 1 is what? 3 equals to what? 12. So we have 3x is equals to 12. When this minus 3 cause equal sign become plus. So 3x is equals to 12 plus 3, it will be 15. So we divide both sides by 3. So when you divide both sides by 3, you have x is equals to 5. Now this is the solution to question number 4. Now let's move on to the last one, which is we are in the last part of the question, which is the number 5. So the same process, we cross multiply. So 1 open bracket 1 plus x close bracket, then 4 times 1 is what? 4. When you open the bracket, whenever you multiply 1 with any number, you get the number itself. But in this case, 1 times 1 is what? 1. 1 times x is what? X. So equals to 4. So x, we collect like terms. So 4, when this one cross over the other side, become minus 1. So x is equals to what? 3. So that becomes our final answer. So we are able to solve all the 5 questions. Thank you for watching my class. If you love this class, please subscribe to all our social media handles that will be pasted in the comment section below. Until I see you in my next class, bye bye.